Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how to make Facebook account private. So this video is both apply in laptop and your Android phone. So let's start. To start, open your Facebook app and then go to your profile. Now tap on menu icon. You can see the three bars there. Just click on that. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Now go to Privacy Shortcuts. Now you can see Review Few Important Privacy Settings. Just click on that. Now tap on Who can see what you share. Now click Continue. And then you can see right here Friends and Following. Just click on Public and make it Only Me. Now click on the other one and change it again to Only Me. Now just click on Next. And then you can see right here Future Post. You can change it to Only Me. You can also change the stories into Only Me. You can also limit the people that can see your past posts. You can change them into Only Me. Now your profile is private. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.